Namaskar, welcome to the daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. During past 24 hours, we have observed cold day to severe cold day condition over some parts of East Uttar Pradesh. Apart from that, dense to very dense fog observed over several parts of Uttar Pradesh. Apart from that, Punjab, Haryana, and Himachal Pradesh, this area have witnessed visibility of 0 meter. And if you look at particularly the synoptic conditions, the western disturbance now seen as a cyclonic circulation over North Pakistan at 3.1 km above mean sea level, with its trough aloft along 71 degree east to north of latitude 25 degree north at 5.8 km above mean sea level. Apart from that, the associated induced cyclonic circulation now lies over northeast Rajasthan adjoining areas up to 1.5 km above mean sea level. Apart from that, a cyclonic circulation lies over northeast Assam at 3.1 km above mean sea level. A cyclonic circulation also lies over equatorial Indian Ocean adjoining southeast Bay of Bengal at 1.5 km above mean sea level. A fresh WD we are anticipating likely to affect northwest India from 10th of January 2025. Under the influence of this system, we are anticipating dense to very dense fog condition likely to continue over Indo-Gangetic plains during next 3 to 4 days. And under the influence of fresh western disturbance that is anticipated, and its likely interaction with the easterly winds, which will very likely over northwest India during 10th to 12th January 2025. Under this influence, if you look at the minimum temperature, due to the passage of WD, that there is rise in minimum temperature, we are anticipating it will fall by 3 to 5 degree during next 3 days, particularly western Himalaya region, and fall by 2 to and rise by 2 to 4 degree thereafter. Apart from that, if you look at the plain area, the temperature will be likely to rise by 2 to 4 degree over northwest India, and again it will fall by 2 to 4 degree. Apart from that, minimum temperature likely over central and India during next order there will be no large change, and particularly for the Gujarat area, it will fall by 2 to 4 degree. If we tell about the warning, it is a particularly dense to very dense fog. Warning likely to continue for next 3 days, particularly Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar. These areas likely to get dense to very dense fog. Looking into this condition, orange alert has been issued. Apart from that, cold day condition to severe cold day condition likely to over Uttar Pradesh area. So that for that region also we have issued orange alert, and for cold day condition in particular, Rajasthan has been issued for yellow alert. For dense fog condition, particularly Himachal, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, and apart from that, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Southern West Bengal, these areas are under yellow alert. Odisha also likely to get dense to very dense fog for next 24 hours, and day 2 in particularly for that is 7th of January, where the dense to very dense condition likely to continue over particularly Punjab, Haryana, and Uttar Pradesh, Odisha. These areas likely to get dense fog to very dense fog, and dense fog condition particularly over Himachal Pradesh, Bihar, South Bengal and West Bengal, they are likely to get dense fog condition, and cold to severe cold day condition likely to continue over Uttar Pradesh, and cold day condition over Rajasthan. If we tell about the thunderstorm lightning, particularly due to the passage of western disturbance, there is likely to thunderstorm activity over northeastern states on 7th, and on 8th particularly also the thunderstorm lightning activity likely to continue over the northeastern states, and dense to very dense fog likely continue over Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, and dense fog over Bihar and Himachal Pradesh. And on 9th, particularly that is on day 4, that fog condition likely to continue over Punjab and Haryana, and dense to very dense fog at isolated places over the Uttar Pradesh, and cold day condition over Uttar Pradesh also. And due to passage of rainfall, northwestern states, particularly Assam and Nagaland, Manipur, these areas likely to get dense fog condition on 9th. On 10th particularly, because of the passage of the fresh WD, the fog layer likely to get diffused, and only due to the rainfall activity over northeastern state, Assam and Nagaland, these areas likely to get dense fog condition. For 11th onward, there will be no warning. So for detailed information, you can directly log into mausam.imd.gov.in. Apart from that, you can also follow us in social media platform X, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Thank you. Namaskar.